This Melissa and Doug pots and pan set was the perfect addition to my son's play kitchen. We get so much use out of these. It comes with 2 pans, a pot, a colander, a lid that fits on all 3, and 2 wooden utensils. They are stainless steel, so they're super easy to clean, and they're dishwasher safe, so if they ever get dirty, you can just pop them right in the dishwasher and clean them with the rest of your dishes. Like I said, it comes with 1 lid, but the lid does fit on all of the pans and the pot. It also comes with the storage shelf, which is great, but you don't have to keep it in this specific configuration. They all fit in there in different orientations. It comes with 2 wooden utensils, a spoon, and a spatula. The pot is deep. They can, pretend to stir, pretend to cook things. It is great for imaginative play. It is perfect for Montessori. You can use it outside in a mud kitchen. You can use it inside in your play kitchen with play food. They look just like real pots and pans, which my son loves. They don't look like a toy, which makes him want to play with them more. We've had these for a few months. My son plays with them all the time, and he is not gentle, and they don't have any nicks, scratches, dents. They've held up super well. We love this pot and pan set. It is the perfect addition for any play kitchen. I highly recommend them.